3. Welcome back to our 5 on 5. Again, we're here with the new CEO of AllCare Health, Max Janasik. Good to see you again. So we're talking about all the things your organization does in Grants Pass and here in the Rogue Valley. Housing is something that certainly is a bit of focus of AllCare. I know the legislature, you're already I don't know if lobbying is the right word from an organization like yours, but already talking about what you want to see from the legislature in 2025. Why is this such a priority for AllCare?
Well, I think, from our point of view, housing's a starting point, right? Without housing, it's hard to work on any other aspect of your health. It's kind of like, the basic Maslow's hierarchy. If you don't have housing and shelter, it's hard to worry about, your job and these other things. Hard to show up for those things. So we really feel like housing has to be a #1 priority for our community. And there's been a lack of housing for many years, and that accumulated deficit is really hurting people. The other thing that's really challenging is for folks who have a job that can't afford housing. There can almost be a disincentive for them, because it's like it's very difficult to make it work. So we're trying to figure out what are ways we don't have to lose benefits if you're working and working towards trying to get to that point. So we have a lot of passion for trying to help people with housing.
Okay, and I want to kind of end on a broader question. We talked about how you just started with the organization a couple months ago. What's your vision for the future of AllCare?
Well, I think being a really strong community partner, #1. We are a locally based coordinated care organization. We have a lot of local partners. So how we augment and support them and really help solve these really complex societal challenges, right? And I think for all of us, we want to have a healthy, thriving community. Starts with economic transformation that helps people, from a housing standpoint, from a education standpoint. So the way we support those groups and we be a great partner in the community is really what my vision is. And then, of course, learning from our partners.
Okay. Well, great to meet you. Thanks so much for coming by. I appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
All right. Stay with us. We'll be right back.